You've seen tons of videos about LLC formation, but you found that they're outdated. Why? Because of changes to the LLC process. The formation of an LLC is an easy but important process. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an LLC for your company. So let's get started. You already know about LLC, but not all of you. So let's start by discussing what exactly a limited liability company, or LLC, is. An LLC is like a shield for your personal assets when you're in the world of business. It keeps your business debts and liabilities separate from your personal finances, ensuring that if things ever go sideways, your personal savings aren't on the line. Plus, forming an LLC might sound like a complex task, but we're here to break it down into smaller chunks. Do you want to establish an LLC? Are you feeling lost in the process? Don't worry. We are here to assist. Malay Law can help you to establish an LLC. We would handle all your complex paperwork. Click the link in the description for a free call, and let's get started today. Now, let's discuss the process in detail. Step 1 is to choose a killer name. Your LLC needs a catchy name that reflects your business. But here's the twist. Your name needs to end with Limited Liability Companies, or its abbreviation LLC. Now remember, your name should be unique and not confuse customers with other existing businesses. And oh yeah, make sure it doesn't have any words that are off limits by law. Got your name? Awesome. Let's move on to the next step. The second step is to designate a registered agent. Step 2. Meet your trusty sidekick, the registered agent. Think of them as the official mailbox for your business. They'll receive legal documents and important notices on your behalf. This could be you, a friend, or a professional service. Just make sure they're always available during business hours. Step 3 is Articles of Organization. Now let's get official. You'll need to file the Articles of Organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This form basically tells the world that your LLC exists. It includes info like your business address, the purpose of your LLC, and the names of the owners. Some states might call this form something else, but don't worry. It's the same game with a different name. Well, it's time to jazz up the process of filling out the Articles of Organization form for your fantastic LLC. Start by giving your LLC a formal name, including any secondary names in quotes. Ensure the name includes a form of LLC, Limited, or Limited. For instance, if your formal name is Williams, Foster, Yates, and Cooper, but you're known as Williams Associates, include Williams Associates in quotes. Make it official and catchy. Next, explain your business's purpose in a snappy sentence. Keep it broad to accommodate future services without amending the Articles of Organization. For example, if Williams Associates is an IT consulting firm, the description could be providing IT consulting services to small and medium-sized businesses. Then introduce the registered agent, the person who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This could be a principal member or a trusted employee. Include their name and contact info. Lastly, list all LLC members, including their titles and roles. Non-partner members holding important positions should be included. While optional, adding contact information can foster connections. Step 4 is to craft your operating agreement. All right, high fives all around for getting this far. Your operating agreement is like the rule book for your LLC. Even if you're a one-person show, having this document is crucial. It spells out how your company will be managed, the roles and responsibilities of the owners, and how profits and losses will be divided. It's like plotting out the adventure with your business buddies. Step 5 is to get an EIN. Warrior. It's time to get your LLC's version of a social security number, an employer identification number, or EIN. This unique number from the IRS is essential for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Think of it as your LLC's identity card. Now, are you ready for more form-filling fun? Great. Firstly, start by downloading Form SS4, also known as the Application for Employer Identification Number, from the IRS website. You can also request a copy by calling the IRS or visiting your local IRS office. Before you dive into the form, gather the necessary information. You'll need details about your business structure, purpose, and ownership, as well as your personal information. The form will ask you to indicate your business type, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, LLC, etc. Choose the option that best fits your business. Next, you'll need to provide the legal name of your business as registered with the state, along with any trade names if applicable. Include the address of your business location, even if it's your home address. Now, identify the responsible party, which is usually the owner or principal officer. You'll need their name, social security number, and contact information. Then choose tax year that indicates your preferred tax year period. Most businesses follow the calendar year, but you can choose a fiscal year if it aligns better with your business activities. Now choose the reason for applying. Select the reason for applying for an ION. This could include starting a new business, hiring employees, opening a bank account, etc. Choose the option that matches your situation. Also answer the questions regarding your business activities and the number of expected employees, if applicable. Lastly, sign and submit review your information, make sure everything is accurate, and sign the form. If you're applying online, the submission process is usually digital. If you're submitting a paper form, follow the mailing instructions provided in the form's instructions. Once your application is processed, you'll receive your ION. This can happen immediately if you apply online or within a few weeks if you submitted a paper form. Make sure to keep your ION in a safe place and use it responsibly. If you have any doubts or questions while filling out the form, consider seeking professional advice from an accountant or tax professional. Step 6 is filing fees. Every club has a membership fee, right? Well, welcome to the business world's version, filing fees. Different states have different prices, so make sure to check your state Secretary of State website. Pay up and voila! You're one step closer to being a full-fledged LLC owner. Step 7 is licenses and permits. Let's talk about playing by the rules. Depending on your location and industry, you might need certain licenses or permits to operate legally. These are like permission slips for your business. Check with your local government or small business administration to find out what you need. Safety first, entrepreneurs. Step 8 is to open a business bank account. It's time to give your LLC its own piggy bank. The business bank account. This account keeps your business finances separate from your personal ones, which is super important for that limited liability protection we talked about earlier. Plus, it gives you a clear view of your business's financial health. Step 9 is to annual reports. Don't let the adventure fizzle out. Many states require LCS to file annual reports to keep their information up to date. It's like checking in with the LC headquarters and saying, "Hey, we're still rocking it." Missing these reports might lead to penalties or even losing your LLC status. So mark your calendar for this annual check-in. Lastly, remember, every superhero grows and evolves. The same goes for your LSC. Keep up with changes in laws, taxes, and regulations that might affect your business, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to forming a limited liability company in 2023. From choosing a name to opening that business bank account, you've now got the tools to navigate this exciting journey. Remember, every successful business starts with a dream and takes one step at a time to become reality. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and make your mark on the business world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure with us. Until next time, keep rocking your LLC journey.